In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Gmail from Android. So this is one thing you want to do before you go ahead to reset the Android phone, especially if you cannot remember the Gmail password or you don't know the actual Gmail you use on your Android phone, so that this will not pose a problem when you want to reset the Android phone. Now, here in this video, I'll just walk you through the steps that you need to take to remove the Gmail account you linked to your Android phone on it. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to open the Gmail application on your Android phone. So just open the Gmail application, just like this. Then once opened, click on the profile icon at the top right. Then click on Manage Account on this device. Manage that. Here you should see Account and Sync. And you have the option to synchronize now. This is going to synchronize your Gmail to this Android phone so that you'll be able to receive notifications when they arise. Now, to remove the Google account from this Android phone, all you just need to do is click on Google. Then once you click on that, you'll be taken to where you have access to the Gmail. Then click on the More button at the bottom. This depends on your model. So this is Redmi Note 12. On some other devices, you might not see the More option just like this. You may just see the option to remove and the option to synchronize. So here, click on More and make sure you click on Remove Account. If there's no More button, locate Remove here and click on it. Now once you click on Remove, you see a pop that says Remove Account. Removing this account will delete all its messages, contact, and other data from the phone. Then go ahead and remove it. Mark you, this does not delete your Gmail account. This only remove or delete the Gmail account from this particular Android phone. If the Gmail account is linked to another Android phone, you'll still be able to use it on it. Now go ahead and click on Remove Account. Then hang on. Now you should say for that, are you sure you want to do this? Device protection feature will no longer work. Then go ahead and click on OK. Then you need to verify that it is you. Go ahead to use either your fingerprint or pattern. Use pattern. Then that is it. Now that is it. This will remove the Google account or Gmail account from your Android phone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.